Hi guys, in this video we have a Hyundai Santa Fe and I'll quickly show you how you can use its wireless charging to charge your phone. On the center console over here we have the wireless charging pad. Just take your phone and face the back side of it against the wireless charging pad and slide your phone in. When you slide it in, you can see that the phone is charging. Now to check that the phone is charging while you're driving, there's this orange button. It lights up over here. So I'll take my phone out and it goes away. The second way you can check is even on the home screen. On the top right, you can see the symbol. I'll take my phone out and the symbol goes away. Now let's say the wireless charging is not charging. The chances are it's not been enabled in your settings. To do that, go into settings, then vehicle, and then go to the last option, convenience, and check that wireless charging system is ticked. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.